Alright, bet. YouTube. Link in with your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me restart that. YouTube. You feel me? Me and Baby Slime running around. Just got up. You know what I'm saying? It's like 8, 9 in the morning. I'm finna go run to Ross, give me a little jacket right quick. You know what I'm saying? See what's popping. Got Baby Slime in the car. We really out here. I'm gonna tap in on Chuck, man. I'm gonna get the roast. We in the trenches, man. This is the trenches, man. Look at this shit. This kind of fake look like New Orleans, though. This part, check it out. You don't even know what they got going on over here. This is what they thugging at. I'm gonna stand for the 104th. Back to my vlog. Like I said, though, we at Louisiana Fried Chicken, you know what I'm saying? But look, I think we in Compton. We're gonna sit, we in Compton. Yeah, we in Compton. Who the kid? Why you put out the blunt? You not gonna let me hit that? What's wrong with you?
I'm going to go eat.
That's why I say got to be driving. Let's see what we got going on here, man. Who the kid? Ignorant.
Oh, yeah.
He right there. What we gonna do, man? That's how we got this here. Put my camera down, some type shit. We finna eat food. As y'all can tell, I've been eating the whole time since I've been down here. It's not too much on this bitch. I'm saying there's something in this bitch. You feel me? I'm gonna holler at y'all because I don't know we can record it. YouTube. I'm thugging. In the hood in Cali. I don't know, you know what I'm saying, where I'm at, but I know I'm in the trenches. Going on. I'm really posted up in a little donut shop right quick with these kids. Yeah. 24 hours in the hood, it don't matter how many food it is. What happened?
I want mine. I just ordered a ham and cheese. Oh, yeah.
That boy like the ham and cheese.
And a cream soda, you hear me? A shyster. You hear me? Because I'm really shysty out here. Each, my hood, you know, they'd have been like 75 cents each. They ain't doing nothing like Dallas, though. They out here taxing it in LA.
I would love a donut. Huh?
My ham and cheese, they're how hot and ready, you hear me? Good ham and cheese. One thing about LA, they got a good ham and cheese.
That nigga like ham and cheese. That's like his second time eating that shit today. I mean, since we've been down here. You understand me? We tap in. This shit is in the middle of an alley, cuz this is the best place to get robbed and fucked up. Like, this shit is janky. I heard the food good, though. They don't even got the rest of the sign. I'm finna get in the car and wait on the food. I don't think this the place to wait out at. This is some bullshit, huh? We at Master Burger. All up on me. I don't even want to do it. We at Master Burger. I'm finna make my shit. Everything I want to make. I'm finna get catfish waffles instead of chicken and waffles. You know what I'm saying? That's really what I'm fucking with. Kid, what you on?
Hot wings.
Of course. Ain't no wrong with the chicken. I'm about to see what's poppin'. I don't know what I'm finna order. I'm finna get some. Okay. Trying to order all this shit in here.
Wow.
Combo?
Yeah. The hot wing special. What did you say? Strawberry banana.
Let's do this.
Is that it?
Nacho. It's a shrimp though.
Bro, this looks just like my hood.
24 hours in Compton.
Hey, hold on. Let me get the. Where the other phone?
Huh?
Can I get back to you? I kid you not. Hey, we in Compton. In the back of the house. We in Compton. This is like Dallas.
It's 24 hours in Compton. We in that field, huh? Kid, tell them where we at, son.
I don't know what block we on, but we in somebody's backyard.
But we in fuck the backyard. We in the field. I can hop over that. No, not even touching that bitch. We in the field. Me too. I hit that. Scott just made a plate. You know what I'm saying? Leaving out that bitch. Let's see. We on 144. You hear me? Yeah. Everybody trapping on the block.
First I fucked up. I don't know what I was doing. I'm off the shrooms. Can we say that on YouTube?
Yeah, fat. Oh, you got it perfect.
Bet. I'm off shrooms, so boom, I'm really high.
Still inside.
Yeah, but back at it again. It's me and Six.
Stay healthy.
And it's my first vlog ever.
Big shit. We ain't all the way in Cali somewhere.
Yeah, we in Cali somewhere at Target.
Talking about the fat girl you
Finna return something. Yeah, you know.
put it back on.
And then put it back on the car. Yeah. This look nasty. Don't drink this. But yeah, this is my first vlog. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, follow me, like pictures, all that for the kid.
Like, comment, subscribe, hop street.
_ Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.